What if your video voiceover could sound like this without needing any fancy equipment or paying a dime? Trust me, your video will be outstanding and unique. So let me show you how to transform your voice like mine to sound like a pro. Make sure you watch this video to the end in order not to miss any important step. Are you ready? So the first thing you need to do is to go over to your editing app and then the video you wanted to transform. So what you needed to do is just to export the video. So in my case, I'll be using CapCut. You can also use other editing software. So what you need to do is to export the video. So this video I'm using is just a sample. It's just a sample. So I'm going to click on export. So I'm exporting this video. Okay. Okay, the video has been exported. So what you need to do right now is to go over to your gallery or where the video has been saved, right? Okay, you can see it right here. So what you need to do is the next thing you need to do is to go over to your Play Store. Go over to your Play Store and download this simple app. It's called Video to Audio Converter. Okay, so you have a bunch of video to audio converter right here. You have. So what we want to do is to convert our video to audio so that we can be able to enhance that audio in another AI tool I'm going to show you. Okay, so you can see one here. Though I prefer this video to audio converter, so I've already downloaded this to my phone. So but if in your case you will see the word install right here, but I've already downloaded mine, so I will just click on open. Okay, so it's open. So what you need to do, these are my previous testing while testing out this app. So what you need to do is to, let me go back. Okay, so I have already previously tested this. Okay, so let me go back so that you can see what I have done. So so click on this plus sign to upload that video. So this is the video right here, the first one. Okay, then okay, so click on allow. Okay, so the video has been uploaded right here. So all you need to do next is to click on the video and then you need to convert the video. Okay, so when you click on convert, it's going to convert the video into an audio. Okay, click on convert. Okay, so our video has been converted to an audio file. So what you need to do is to edit this and rename it. So I can call this testing 2, or let me say testing 1. Okay, so just rename it to any name of your preference, then click on rename. Okay, so this is a file name right here. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to go over to your browser. Go over to your browser. In my case, I use Google Chrome. So go over to browser and search for Adobe Podcast. Okay, what you need to do next is to go to your browser, right, and search for Adobe Podcast. So when you search for Adobe Podcast, it's going to bring you to this interface. Though since you are just starting, you will need to sign up with your email and your of course your email. Okay, so to bring it to this interface, so what you need to do right here is to, you can see they said this will enhance your video for just 30 minutes. Any file that is more than 500 MB will not be be allowed. Okay, so you have 1 hour daily limits. All right, so this is a free tool, though they have pro version, but we're not using that one for now. All right, so what you're going to do is to click on choose file and then click on media picker. In your case it might be different, but just go and upload that audio that we've converted. So okay, let me search for the audio testing 2. Okay, can you see it right here? So this is it. Is it? Okay. Wow, our audio has been enhanced. So let's listen to it. So this is how it sounds at first. What if your video voiceover could sound like this? Can you hear that? This is how it sounds at first. Now let's enhance it. So just click on this enhance page so that you preview how it sounds like. Without needing any fancy equipment or paying a dime, trust me, your video will be outstanding and unique. Wow. So let me show you how to transform your voice like mine to sound like a pro. So that is it. Make sure you watch this video to the end in order not to miss any. So that's it. So what you just need to do is to click on download and your file is ready. So you can now go back to your editing software, okay, and then you have to delete the voiceover that you have there, right? And then you add the new audio that you've enhanced. Of course, your editing software might be different from mine. So in my case, I will just need to go to sound and then go to your audio, go to device and search for the name testing 1. Okay, and then I will add it to my voice, to my video. Okay, and then my video can sound more professional. What if your video voiceover could sound like this without needing any fancy equipment? Alright, so that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that not to miss out on any important updates. Alright, thank you.